Okay, so my name is Mackenzie Ray, and this is a presentation about my career path and specifically my interest in becoming an industrial organizational psychologist. Um, so moving right along, so the job description, basically, what you're looking at here on the first line is that an IO psychologist will apply principles of psychology to things like human resources, administration, management, sales, and marketing problems. And so basically, what you're seeing here is a marriage of psychology and business. It is applying the skills and knowledge of psychology and human behavior to a workplace. And the results of that, getting into more specifics, is that you're able to ensure the mental and physical well-being of employees, as well as improving both individual and organizational performance. Um, you'll constantly be studying and understanding human behavior in the workplace. And as a result of all of this, you will be helping to increase workplace productivity. The required education for this type of work is typically a minimum of a master's level degree. A lot of times you'll see people getting just an actual master's in organizational psychology. But because this is a business related degree, you can actually go ahead and get a master's in business administration to do the same type of work. And of course, if you want to go further, there are doctorates available for this type of study as well. So the relation of my education to my 4-year plan, currently I have about 1 year left here at BYU Idaho, and then after that I plan on doing another year at Utah State for my master's. They do have a master's program for industrial organizational psychology. It is just a year, but I do imagine that I might be extending out that time just a little bit to potentially squeeze in an extra internship during that time. And then hopefully shortly afterwards, I'll be able to move into the workplace and actually work within my field of study. So for me personally, I am very interested in this field because I've always been interested in business, more of like the people aspect of business. So not so much with things like, accounting and, like stock prices and things like that, but just more like with human interaction, people working together to make things happen. And I've also always been interested in people's behavior, getting to the bottom of why we do what we do. I think it's a fascinating topic, and so I feel like this route is really perfect for me in terms of what I'm interested in. And finally, compared to the reasons for study that are typical, which are found in chapter 13, a lot of these are applicable to me. Of course, I do have a strong interest in the field. I want to be, I suppose, a type of psychologist, not like a traditional psychologist, but an industrial organizational psychologist. And I'm, of course, using this degree as prep for more education as well as prep for a future job. And currently, this currently is my undergrad. And so there is the presentation. If you have any questions, please leave them below in the discussion board, and thank you for watching.